No one can use my computer without my permission because I have set password on my drive. I'm using C drive as my window and D drive where I save my personal files, and I have locked all the files in the drive, whole drive. I have set the password on it. So no one will able to use or look into my computer or look into my files. So this is pretty simple. If you're using Windows 11, I will show you how you can set password on your computer so no one will be able to use or access your important files. This is very important because mostly we save our content in the drive. So how if we lock whole drive, and if someone going to access our computer, they will not able to look into our drive. So this is pretty simple. Let's go to the desktop where I will show you how you can enable, how you can secure your drive. So this is pretty simple. Let's get started.
So first of all, we will go to our drive. We will open File Explorer. As I have opened already the File Explorer, now you have to click on this PC, so where you will able to see all your drives. Okay, now I will show you how you can secure your drive. So first of all, I'm using Windows 11. So for if you're using Windows 11, this will be very easy steps. You can secure your all drive. Even you want to secure your C or D or G drive. I'm using multiple drives, so I'm going to secure my D drive. So what I will do, I will right click on my mouse, and I will right click on my mouse and show more option. Go to show more option. Here you will see the option here, turn on BitLocker. The name of this application or service is BitLocker. It is free with Windows 11. Some of computers still not able to access this option, but as soon as possible all the Windows 11 user will be able to see this option. So I will click on turn on BitLocker. Once you turn on BitLocker, you will see choose how you want to unlock this drive. So I will click on use a password to unlock the drive. So you have to set the password. For example, I have to set my own password here. Make sure your password is secure, and you will use multiple capital letters or numbers as you want, but make sure your password is 8 to 10 digits, right? So that will be more secure. Okay, so I have re-entered my password. You will enter your password 2 times here and click on next. Once you click on next, it will ask you save to your Azure AD account. If you are using Microsoft, and a Microsoft user, they know there is an admin account. If you are using paid Microsoft account, you know what is account about. So another option here, save to USB flash drive. So this means if you have a pen drive or your any drive you have, so you can plug in your drive and you can save your password there, recovery key. And this is the recovery key backup. If sometime you forget your password or something happened, it will provide you the recovery key. Recovery key means you will able to access or re-enter, or you will refresh your password. You will able to set again your password with the help of recovery key. Okay, so save to the file. Okay, you want to save it into your computer, but I will recommend use Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive account. You can so you will access anytime from the cloud storage. So I will click save to file, and it will save. I will save it into my desktop. I already saved. You can see here I have saved this BitLocker. So I will click on next. Okay, so it will ask you encrypt use disk space only. So what does this mean? This mean the example, you have the D drive 250 gigabyte, for example 250, but you have used only 100 gigabyte. So this means you want to secure only the content you have 100 gigabyte, or you want to secure your all 250 gigabyte drive, means all drive. I will recommend go with encrypt entire drive, so no one will be able to access or open your drive. If you have serious, if you are important documents, so I will recommend you to click this option, encrypt entire drive, and click next. So now choose which exception made to use. New exception mode best for fix on this drive. Compatible mode best for drive can be moved from this device. For example, so if you are using in computer and this drive is removable, and you want to in future you want to use into in another computer the drive, I'm talking about hard drive or SSD drive. So this is what they are asking, this is a fixed drive in your computer or this is a movable, like you will able to move this drive to into another computer. So that's why it asked. So I will recommend here compatible mode. So this will be compatible in the future, you want to move your drive into another computer, so you will able to access this. Okay, so compatible mode, click next. So your drive is ready to encrypt, and this will secure all your drive. I will click on start encryption. This will start processing, and this will set lock on your profile, lock on your drive. Okay, your drive will be fully encrypted. When someone will enter your drive, so this will be look like, you can see my Z drive here, local disk Z drive. I have already set this bitlock on this drive. So if I click on this, it will ask me password. So you have more option here. Recovery key, this is what I talk about. Recovery key, you have to save your this recovery key. This recovery key I save onto my desktop. You have to move this on your cloud storage. You will be able to use this in the future. If you sometime what happened, our computer got some problem, virus, we have to refresh our data, so you might lost this file, but if you save on your Google Drive, you will be accessed in the future. Okay, so I will recommend use upload this on your computer, on your Google Drive or cloud storage. Okay, I will click on Z drive. I will try to enter my password. So if someone using your computer and they will, if they will try to open, they will not able to open unless they enter the correct information. Okay, so as I show you how you can easily secure your drive. This means this drive is fully secure. I have already opened this drive, you can check here. Now I'm able to access the file into the drive. Okay, so you want to lock this again, click right option, show more option. You can if you want to change bitlocker password, you can change it from here, manage bitlocker. Okay, you will click manage bitlocker. If you want to lock this, you want to get the backup key again, or you want to turn on auto unlock, so you can set the condition, right? So I don't want to set any condition. Okay, so what this means, I will keep as it is. I will go back and I will come back into my file explorer. This will be automatic lock your profile. I have already leave my profile and I will exit or turn off my computer, turn on again or restart. This will auto lock again. You have to enter the password again you want to access, right? So this is pretty simple. I hope you like my video. I really appreciate you watch my video. Please subscribe, share and like my videos. I really appreciate guys. Thank you.
So I hope you like my video. In next video, I will bring more ideas, content and tech related videos. So please subscribe, like and share my videos. I really appreciate that. Thank you.